there is a lot of litigation around that, whether this provision is applicable or not.
It's not clear cut.
Some are
that these are the
clear-cut.
courts which are applicable in Goa.
No, so
These are
they didn't make a list at that time and say that these are the laws, that these are the provisions from the Portuguese Civil Code or the Portuguese Civil Procedure Code which will continue. There was no legislation like that. The legislation was the Goa Daman and Diu Administration Act 1962, which said that whatever is not on those subjects where laws from the rest of India are not extended, the Goa laws will apply. Or if there are Goa laws on subjects, the Indian Contract Act is applicable here, so these provisions are not applicable. So it's a confusion.
This is a grey area. There is no clear cut.
So they should list out all those provisions. It was translated by late Advocate Uzgaonkar. But there is no government translation of all these residual provisions. So now this means that the lawyers who understood Portuguese and who had the luxury of time to look at all these provisions in detail,
they get upper hand.
Those clients who can provide their lawyers the luxury of time, which means if the lawyer is going to go into this in this much detail to find out these Portuguese provisions, you need that kind of money to pay that lawyer. And if you need that kind of money to pay that lawyer, then that is where these, what you call
high profile,
there is so much that is happening, and this is a small place. We had the potential, we still can. What you need to do is sift out and see what provisions are still applicable, so that there is clarity and people don't have to hire lawyers who they will have to pay through their nose